that it's before it was owned by athletics, there was maybe some thought that project somehow it got through the purchasing process without going through ENIT. So now we need to do an ENIT on it and with the app on it. Okay, data warehouse development access. This is almost to the finish line.
Everyone can access those servers?
Nope.
Okay.
So I think that's an ITS question. That's a project that's done. UPD credit cards are done. So that's all good.
No Snoopy dance?
Okay. That's old school.
To see when they're actually going to do the upgrade. Windows 10 for desktops. Since I pulled out the workstation refresh portion of this, it's kind of rescoped, and this can go into PDCA at this point, since we already have this separately over here now.
The condition adjustment request workflow is in production. 2-week check-in will be next Tuesday, but so far so good. That one is the quick win one from SAO, so it worked well. There wasn't a lot of hiccups, and so hopefully their staff now will be more have a better appetite for changing other things, because they were kind of hesitant to take on any projects because they haven't really had
To
any.
make a phase 3 instead of just planning out more. So the first thing that is happening, and it's in next month's implementation, is getting some additional data in for provisioning, so we can do groups based on housing areas and some more detailed on person type.
Oh, okay. Skillsoft, we're having a problem with, it's not accessible via iPads right now.
Employee Skillsoft.
Employee Skillsoft. And what is, it's being redirected.
And I think that's it. So, thank you again for strategic plan work. I think we've got a couple people who still need to get their data inputted out there. If you can do that, that'd be great. And then I'm gonna wrap it all up into something prettier that we can give to senior staff, and then we'll start implementing it, which we'll have the easy part done, and we'll move on to the hard part. So I think that's it. And then anything else before we break?
Did we want to say go Ants?
Let's not change our standard word.
You just did. We're
Yeah,
good.
good job. Thank you. All right. Well, thanks all. Thank you, Eric, for coming.